Food allergies are a problem across the world, and there are about 220 to 250 million people worldwide who have some kind of food allergy. About 5 to 8% of children have a food allergy and about 1 to 2% of adults. A food allergy can be there from birth or can develop at any time, and you can experience more than one type of allergy. Some people with allergies grow out of them, and others develop more serious reactions. The most common allergies globally are egg and milk, then peanuts and mollusks. There are some countries where certain types of allergies are more prevalent. For example, celery is more prevalent in Germany, mustard in France, and mangoes in Mexico. As we learn more about food allergens and we're exposed to more food types from all around the world, this is becoming a bigger problem. Before the 1960s, food allergies were not heard of because there was a lot less known about their existence. You do not need to be exposed to a large amount of an allergen. Sometimes just air particles from the allergen are enough to trigger a fatal reaction. Some people are more susceptible to being allergic to a food.